Welcome to the LMB Lab, your one-stop shop for everything like my bricks. I'm Megan, your trusty LMB professor, and I'm here to upgrade your knowledge of Lego lighting. So you've got the Lego set and you've got the LMB light kit. Now you're wondering, what's next? Don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step. Now before we dive into the how, let's quickly chat about the what. What is Lego lighting? Well, it's more than just adding lights. It's about transforming your Lego display and bringing the story of your set to life. Think of it as upgrading your Lego set to its ultimate form! Right. Let's take a look inside your LMB light kit box. You will find numbered bags with all your lighting components. Depending on the kit, you might open these bags in chronological order, or you might not. Keeps you on your toes, right? So where are the instructions? You can find this little gem of a QR code on the side of the box. Scan it and it'll take you straight to our step-by-step installation guides. Now here's a cool feature of our guides. You'll often see two instruction options. Light after build, perfect for if you've already built your Lego set and you want to add lights afterwards. Or light while you build if you prefer to install the lights as you assemble your Lego set. Choose your own adventure. It's all about what works best for you. Okay, let's talk about our installation guide. Think of this as your Lego lighting Bible. Let's go through it together, shall we? First up, the cover page. This shows the finished light kit, the Lego set name, and the set number. The contents page. This is your roadmap to the guide, and it's split into 3 sections. Getting started, instructions, and the final product. Then the legend page, which is super important because it lists all the symbols you might encounter in your guide and their meanings. Component handling is where you'll learn the basics of our components, like the fact that they can be plugged in either orientation or where to find their product codes. Then there's the blueprint, which is an overview of the kit's design for those of you who want a preview of what you're about to create. Now for the fun part. Page 7. This is where the actual Lego lighting instructions begin. From here, you'll follow step-by-step instructions to transform your Lego into a glowing masterpiece. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed, don't be. It's all designed to be simple, clear, and most importantly, fun. If you want to see the lighting process in action, stay tuned for our next video. We'll walk you through the entire installation process with some expert tips to make it even easier for any beginner. All right, class, that's it for today's lesson in the LMB Lab. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more lighting magic. And let us know in the comments which Lego set you'll be lighting up first. That's it, class dismissed. But not you, Damo, you've got detention. Get it out of your mouth, man.